All right, so once again, we are going to be talking about our figurative language, and today we are talking about idioms. So we've gone over similes, hyperboles, metaphors, and now we are talking about idioms. So it says, an idiom is a phrase which means something different than its literal meaning. The meanings of idioms are changed, but they can be understood in the vernacular. Vernacular, big word. That means that people around you can still understand what's going on. So for this first one, it says, when Jenna was caught lying, she knew she was in a pickle. So she's not really in a pickle. It just means that she's in an awkward or embarrassing situation. This one, George answered in an angry tone, but his bark is worse than his bite. So again, he's not a dog. He's not barking. He's just saying words are tougher than actions. He's saying a lot more than what he would actually do. And then this last one, mother arrived in the nick of time. And that one just means just before time is up. So for these ones, we'll do these together. It says, define each idiom. Jeff stormed into the room with a chip on his shoulder. So he really doesn't have just like a chip on his shoulder. It's just saying that Jeff thinks he's better than everyone else. Oops. And then this next one, it says, Jan stayed home from school because she was sick as a dog. And so that idiom just means that Jan was really sick. So if you say someone is sick as a dog, that means they're really sick. And then the sad news gave Andrew the blues. And so if you say someone has the blues, that someone is really sad. So Andrew is really sad. And then we have Mr. Smith jumped the gun when he named the winner. So Mr. Smith spoke too soon. He jumped the gun. He went too early. He said it too early, so he spoke too soon. So those are just some of the idioms here. And then this next slide, slide 10, you're going to try on your own. Again, it's building off of everything you've learned. So you have to tell me if something is a simile, a metaphor, an idiom, or a hyperbole. And it's just one thing. So you're just choosing the best answer. So again, for the simile metaphor, you're looking to see if it has like or as. The idiom, you are seeing if it's a phrase that means something different. And then hyperbole is exaggeration. So I know it's confusing, some of these. So you can always go back to look at these definitions to see if they can help you figure out the answers. But again, today you were just doing slide 10.